Good afternoon, folks. It's 2:30 p.m. Sunday, May 28th, 2023. What I have today is a new in-box Fanimation Ascension. So this first part of the video will just be unboxing. Then I'll go to I'll actually install it. This box is pretty beat up, so the unboxing is actually pretty easy. And this is the white finish. So here we have the 4 blades. Actually remind me of Dayton Lasco blades quite a bit. Either that or Newton Proline 2 blades, 2 and 3. So here we have the fan itself. The switch. Mounting bracket. This is definitely one of my favorite Fanimation products. I love industrials, so I'm going to make a subsequent video where I install it. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.